since yesterday, the last time I picked you up, I've taken the wiring harness off more. I've taken the injectors off, the ground to the head, stuff, and more stuff. Let's take that off. I've labeled them all, and now I'm working on taking the oil pan off again. So I've loosened all the nuts to the highest point to get them to lift the engine as much as I can. Now I'm gonna tackle the oil pump bolts to get that off, and then I'm just gonna pull the oil pan out. Well, you lift it high enough, you can take out those 2 bolts right there, which should hold the oil pump in. Okay, the oil strainer is off. So right now, I'm gonna try to get it out. And you still don't want to come out. Why? Okay, I got it. So what I did was, my pointing stick, I loosened this one engine bolt all the way, tied it back 4 twisties by hand, left this side hella loose, almost jacked it to the very end right there, and I vice gripped the transmission shielding in the back, if you can see right there where my pointing stick is. Yeah, so now the oil pan is starting to slide out. So and oil pan is out. It came with 2 bolts, 2 12s, and a 10 on this side. Okay, I got the oil pan right here next to me. Oil pickup. Honestly, no shiny bits. Yeah, no shiny bits. I bet it's been a couple days since I picked up the camera and worked on the car. So right now, we are working on removing this piece. Pointing stick. It's attached to this brick right here. This right here, this hose, I think it's an 18, but right now I'm using a vice grip and I'm just kind of turning it. Let me see if I can. Alright, so I'm kind of just trying to peel this right side out right here with the power steering. I think it's a little tight in there. Right here. There's one bolt right here. I believe it's on the front timing cover, or the lower timing covers, but I don't know until I pull it out. So let's pull it out. Okay, so I had this bolt removed. Now that that bolt was removed, we can just, yeah, there you go. Front timing cover looks like not too bad. We got it out. Look at that. Alright, time for the big one. We'll be opening this timing chain kit. I got this. Oh, no going back now, so let's see what's inside. Okay. Looks like I got the chain. It looks like the lower one. Upper tensioner or upper guide. Some sprockets. Ooh, some gaskets like that, Oh, this might be the upper. This looks like the lower because it's bigger. More guides. Another sprocket. We got 2 sprockets right there. Ooh, look. And then we got a new idler sprocket too. There's this thing down here. I don't know what that is. And then it looks like our 2 lower guides right here. What do we got here? We got tensioner. Lower tensioner looks like. Upper tensioner. And then, so if you guys are wondering, part number. Yeah, so with all these, we're gonna replace the timing chain, but we'll have to start with removing it first. So let's get to that. I'm taking out the spark plugs. Alright, we're gonna remove the power steering pump and bracket so we can I can clean this better. So you're just gonna break this loose back here, which is a 24th, and if you don't have a 24, it's a 15/16. Okay, well, when you break it loose, make sure you got some like this 10. I got this 10 right here. Just gonna let it drain slowly into the pan below, cause I know this stuff stinks. I've been dead and walking. Oof. Hell yeah. Alright. Just came off, so hard line is off. Alright, I set it to top dead center again. I'm just gonna follow the lobe thing and the stick method. There's no, I don't think there's a thing for it. So now I'm gonna grab my impact. I'm gonna impact this back out, and then once that's out, I'm gonna take the 15/16, put it on here, and hold the wrench and take it off both sides. 24s, and then a 19, and then this will come out. So we'll see what about that. Don't hate me. Move the tensioner now. This tensioner is new, so look at that. I fucked up. When I took the sprocket off, it jumped, so this is moved up a little bit. Damn! Okay, what can we do now? We have to move on. Damn, it's like so unfortunate. It fucking moved. I don't know what to do now. All I can do is just put it back. There's lots of tension on it right now. Yeah, so I think because whatever. Sprockets out. Leave the tension on the bottom one. The number, I think it's 6 or 9 maybe? Now, this other side where the tensioner is also a 9.